Founded in 2003 in Tangxia, Dongguan, Guangdong, PENGLAI Intelligent Equipment has dedicated over 20 years to innovation in automated packaging. Today, we are Amatern high-tech enterprise, seamless Lai integrating cutting-edge R&D, precision manufacturing, global sales, and technical services. As a leading smart packaging provider, PENGLAI delivers market Reno 1 solutions, automatic multifunctional box feeding machines and fully integrated packaging lines, engineered with robust expertise. Our self-developed cartoners stand out for their innovative structure, rock-solid stability, high efficiency, and advanced automation. To meet stringent demands, our equipment is extensive. Lai applied in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, electronics, food hardware, and household paper, operating standalone or seamless Lai connected into high-speed production lines. PENGLAI machines demonstrate exceptional compatibility and reliability. Quality is our lifeline. We strict Lai execute international standards, hold CE certification, and ensure premium products compliant with GMP standards. PENGLAI empowers your production to engineer a brilliant future together.